Alright, today we have for sale TEAC V-5RX stereo cassette deck. We have got soft touch controls, we've got Dolby noise reduction, also DVX, according to DVX, playbacks out, tape selector, normal chrome metal. Everything's good. We've got actually a left and right microphone input line, microphone, as well as headphones, volume, record, balance. Everything's working hunky-dory. She plays, fast forwards, rewinds. Everything's fantastic. Have a listen. Alright, with the deal comes 5 Sony 90-minute hi-fi cassettes. As you can see, rewind. Fast forward. Works fantastic. All right, thanks for watching.